Hello students, welcome once again in our computer science class for class 7th. I am Manisha from STKLDAV St. Rary Senior Secondary Public School, Mansa. So we continue with our previous topic. Our previous topic was evolution of computer, but today we discuss about the generation of computer. So let's learn. So here we have 5 generations of computer. First generation time period is 1942 to 1955. Second generation is from 1956 to 1964. Third generation is from 1965 to 1975. Fourth generation is from 1975 till the present, and fifth generation is our future generation. So students, here is the first generation computer 1942 to 1955. The computers that were developed from 1942 to 1955 were called the first generation computers. So here is the first generation computer. These are the vacuum tubes. Vacuum tube consists of a glass bulb and wire. The wire is used to carry data in the form of electronic signals. The first generation computers were very large, expensive, and required huge amount of electricity. It is called ENIAC also. The ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrated and Calculator, was a first generation computer. So here we have second generation computers. Their lifespan is 1956 to 1964. The second generation computer used transistors instead of vacuum tubes because vacuum tubes are very large in size. So here is the third generation of computers. Lifespan is 1965 to 1975. An integrated circuit IC is as small as a transistor, but it can work as fast as thousands of them. जैसे हमने लास्ट सेकेंड जनरेशन में ट्रांजिस्टर यूज़ किया था, तो इंटेग्रेटेड सर्किट्स उससे बहुत ज़्यादा गुना तेज़ी से चलते हैं. Integrated circuits made computers faster, cheaper, and smaller than the second generation computers. The computers developed since 1975 up to the present are called the fourth generation computers. This is microprocessor. The fourth generation computer use microprocessors. A microprocessor consists of a small silicon chip on which thousands of circuits are placed. This is a picture of our fourth generation or present computers. The fourth generation computers are smaller, portable, and cheaper. They use less electricity and produce less heat. These are our future computer, the fifth generation computers. These are the most advanced computers. Scientists are now trying to develop fifth generation computers in a way that they can think on their own. This is called artificial intelligence. Robots work on this technology. So students, I think these videos is helpful for you to understand the generation of computer or evolution of computer. So you must go with these videos once again. Thank you for watching. Thanks to students. Bye.